Hello everyone, my name is Katarzyna and welcome to my YouTube channel. This is a tutorial I prepared for you as a day 11 of Christmas in July series with heartfelt creation products. Actually, this is the second time I'm uploading this video, so if you may be seeing this and you see it again, it's okay. I noticed that I have some kind of problem with music. Music was too loud, so actually I decided to redone this voiceover today. So for today's project I prepared a simple tag. Actually I have video tutorial how to create two more projects using the same like centerpiece tag I create with you today. This tag was made with Snowy Pine collection. This is the July release by Heartfelt Creation. With traditional red-green colors. So I decided to use a very simple design because I want to feature and show you how you can create the circle wrap using this Snowy Pine cabin stamp set. Because originally the stamp set is oval and you will have the oval shape wrap, so I will show you fun technique you can use to create the circle wrap using this stamp set. To decorate the tag I will use the frosted roses. This rose was created using the wild rose, small wild rose exactly, by Heartfelt Creation, and I have a tutorial step by step on my YouTube channel already, so I will link it right now on the top right corner. And creating the tags is super easy. I just use these two hanging elements I die cut from a white card, and the base I decide to die cut of a white card as well. You can use the craft or black card. I know maybe you have some concerns that maybe black color is not perfect for our Christmas project, but believe me, it is, because it make the traditional red and green shades more pop. So actually it's adding more contrast to your project. I decided to use this cage. I die cut it of paper collection piece, and actually it was too tall, so of course I modified the die. I just cut the top part just to fit my tag. So to adhere the cage I used dry clear glue with metal tip. This is the perfect combo to adhere any small elements, any intricate die cuts to your project, and it will be perfect background, intricate background for my project. So I already adhere also the doors of the cage. It wasn't necessary, to be honest, but I did it anyway. On the end you will see that these doors will be covered completely, so I don't even need to adhere these doors. But anyway, I thought that maybe I will add some sentiments from the paper collection, but on the end I didn't use it. I love to create a card without sentiment, and I add the sentiment as a last element to my finished card. Sometimes I add sentiments in English, sometimes in Polish, sometimes even in Russian or other languages. So I prefer to have, like, empty cards, so I can fill it with whatever sentiment I will want to. Sometimes I also use the thank you sentiment for my Christmas card, so we will see how this project will end. So I already using the scissors cut this oval wrap in 2 parts, and using the same scissors I just make these parts look more smooth and clean. And then actually easiest thing ever, I just add the 3D foam and connect these 2 parts together to create more like circle shape wrap. So this is the super easy idea. Maybe the oval wrap is not your thing, so yeah, this is the great idea to use if you want to create the circle wrap. So here you can see my frosted rose, and already I stamp and color and ink and glitter these pine needles. They are from Snowy Pine collection, newest collection, and I absolutely love how they sparkle. Yeah, glitter is kind of my thing. I hate the glitter beads, but I love the cards with glitter. So I decide to add the pine needles on the back of my frosted rose first, and then adhere the final piece on the bottom of my tag. To finish this project, I decide to use the baker's twine. I have natural shade only because right now I'm abroad, and here, believe me, it's for me it's like abstract thing. It's very difficult to buy foil papers, good ribbon and archival inks. So yeah, my usual thing is to check all the stores in the country if they have the shade of archival I need, but they don't have usually. So that's why I started using mementos, because mementos are everywhere here, but archivals, no. So here you can see the final project. I shaped the pine needles a bit to add more dimension to it, and as I mentioned, I create a double bow using the baker's twine and adhere it on the top of my tag. So what else? I think it could be great if you have any silk ribbon, this kind of messy type of ribbon, and you maybe adhere it on the top of this tag. I think this tag could look much better with the silk ribbon on the top, this silky bow. But we have what we have, and we still craft, and we still love to do it. So yeah, this is my final project for day 11. Don't forget to like and subscribe my YouTube channel, because it will help me to provide more YouTube tutorials, more video tutorials for you. And also I think I didn't mention that I have giveaway on my Instagram, so you can win almost full collection of Snowy Pine products by Heartfelt Creation. So it's a large box, let me tell you, so you could definitely check in the giveaway. I will add the link in the description below. That's it for today. I hope to see you soon. Bye.